What if you could transform your selfie into a stylized 3D Android bot in seconds? Meet Google's revived Androidify app. It's here to turn your selfie into a personalized 3D Android bot. So what's new with Androidify? Let's dive into the exciting changes. Androidify is back, powered by AI, allowing you to create unique 3D avatars directly from your selfies. The new app takes the beloved tool to the next level, offering 3D bot creation with just a selfie. Michel Rahman from Android Authority shares his hands-on experience and first impressions. Michel uploaded his selfie and found his Android bot captured his skin tone, hair, and shirt color, getting his overall vibe. While details like glasses shape weren't perfect, the bot effectively mirrored his look. Beyond just your bot, Androidify offers fun background options to personalize your avatar. Michel experimented with jet setter, music lover, stargazer, and fandroid backgrounds. His favorite, Fandroid, was quirky, vibrant, and perfectly social media ready. The app even supports creating fun, expressive, and easily shareable bot avatars for your colleagues. Download the app from the Play Store or web, create your bot, and share it on social media using hashtag AndroidIFY. Androidify pairs nostalgia with new age AI. It's fun, creative, and uniquely you.